Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this long and large bottom part of bag. To make this gorgeous bottom part, I start with 96 chain stitches, followed by 23 rows of single crochet, then 1 round of back loop single crochet, and it's with 1 round of normal single crochet. This is what the result looks like. The measurement of this bottom part are 32 times 8 centimeters. It's suitable for large totes and handbag. Well everyone, now let me show you how to make this bottom part. If you are ready, let's get started. The material I use are polyester yarns, 2mm crochet hook, and a stitch marker. Firstly, make a slip knot. Then, make 96 chains plus 1, so the total chains are 97. Then, make 1 single crochet in each of chain stitches. The first round of single crochet for this bottom part of the bag is ready, and this is what it looks like. Then make 1 chain to make the second row. After that, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. The amount of the single crochet of each row are 96. So for this project I will make 23 rows of single crochet to have 24 side stitches. This one is the 23rd or the last row of single crochet. This one is the last single crochet of this last row. Okay, it's done. Let me show you. These 3 rows of single crochet consist of 24 side stitches. These are side stitches, which are 24 in total, and this is what the base look like. After this, I will make 3 more rounds of single crochet to complete this bottom part. There are 4 corner stitches on the first round. This is the first one. This corner stitch is filled with 2 single crochet. This is the second one. This is the third one, and this is the last corner stitch. Don't forget to put a stitch mark on the top of the last corner stitch so it will be easy for you to remember the beginning or the ending point of this project. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches and 2 single crochet in each of the corner stitches. This is the fourth or the last corner stitch. Make 2 single crochets. 1, 2. It is the beginning point. Don't forget to put a stitch marker on the top of the last single crochet. After that, make 1 back loop single crochet in each of the stitches. The amount of the back loop single crochet are 240. This amount can be divided by 2 because this pattern is the multiplication of 2. So, make 1 back loop single crochet in each of the stitches to complete this second round. This is the last back loop single crochet of this second round. The next stitch is the beginning of the third round. The third round is made of single crochet. But before that, don't forget to put a stitch marker on the last back loop single crochet to mark the beginning of the third round. Okay, make 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. This is the last single crochet of this third round, and don't forget to put a stitch marker on the top of it. Finally, this bottom part is ready, and this is what it looks like. This bottom part is suitable for handbag or tote bag. Well everyone, I hope you like this pattern. I will see you again on the next video about how to make the body of this bag. See you again on the next video. Have a good day.